In this video, we show you 3 ways to use the HubSpot snippet tool that maybe you hadn't thought of before. Once you have these snippets set up, they could save you time in the long run, so check it out. First, make sure that you are logged into your HubSpot portal, and then in the main navigation, go to Conversations and select Snippets. In our last video, we showed you how to create the HubSpot Training Guide CRM training snippet and how to use it within your email. There are a few other ways that you can use snippets, and so we created these snippets to give you an idea where your snippets are available within your HubSpot portal. So let's take a look at this first call questions. The way that this snippet works is when a call comes in, locate the person's contact record within HubSpot. Then select Log and log a call. Use the snippet that you've created, and this becomes almost like an internal form for team members to use to make sure that they are asking the right qualifying questions. Once this form, so to speak, has populated, you can then type your answers right here as the conversation develops. And then all of this will be recorded within the activity timeline. You can also do this within a note. And all of this valuable information will now be stored within the contact record. The next snippet is buying time while you are chatting live with someone on your website. We use this to buy ourselves a little bit of time so that we can do a little bit of more research and answering our visitor's question. You can use snippets to create answers to frequently asked questions. You can also create snippets that have links to particular parts of your website that the person can take a look at to help them find the information that they are looking for. Snippets are also available when you are creating a quote. So if you are using Sales Hub Pro or the Sales Hub Enterprise, you have access to this quote tool. And the way that this would work is you would create a quote. And then in this section down here, for purchase terms or comments to buyer, you can simply insert your terms of service. Now this could be a longer form terms of service, but in this example, we just created a link. So 3 ways that you can use snippets within your HubSpot portal. Take these, get creative, and develop your own.